Bareb, Namaskar, Hey, Shalom, Bok, Strabo, Namaste, Marhaban, Salut, Sweki, Sia, Aloha, Salam, Tere, Ahoy, Anyong, Selamat, Tengahari, Hola, Shin Chao, Hello, Hujambu. Welcome back to my channel. I am LOIS NDEGE, a mechanical engineer and a petroleum and gas engineer. As the title of the video states, we are going to know more about what is mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineers change the world. You could even say the course of history. Not just once, but countless times. Because they've identified problems that were holding humanity back and they've solved them. Mechanical engineering is an engineering branch that combines engineering physics and mathematics principles with material science to design, analyze, manufacture, and also maintain mechanical systems. It is one of the oldest and broadest of the engineering branches. The mechanical engineering field requires an understanding of the core areas including mechanics, dynamics, thermodynamics, material science, structural analysis, and even electricity. In addition to these core principles, mechanical engineers use tools such as computer-aided design, which is CAD, computer-aided manufacturing, which is CAM, and even product lifecycle management to design and analyze manufacturing plants, industrial equipment and machinery, heating and cooling systems, transport systems, aircrafts, watercrafts, robotics, medical devices, weapons, among others. It is a branch of engineering that involves the design, production, and operation of machinery. Mechanical engineering emerged as a field during the Industrial Revolution in Europe in the 18th century. However, its development can be traced back several thousand years around the world. In the 19th century, developments in physics led to the development of mechanical engineering science. The field has continually evolved to incorporate advancements. Today, mechanical engineers are pursuing developments in such areas as composites, mechatronics, and nanotechnology. It also overlaps with aerospace engineering, metallurgical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, manufacturing engineering, chemical engineering, industrial engineering, and other engineering disciplines to varying amounts. Mechanical engineers may also work in the field of biomedical engineering, specifically with biomechanics, transport phenomena, biomechatronics, bio-nanotechnology, and modeling of biological systems. powered machines, the water wheel and the water mill, first appeared in the Persian Empire in what is now Iraq and Iran. During the Islamic Golden Age, Muslim inventors made remarkable contributions in the field of mechanical technology. Al-Jazari is also known as the first known person to create devices such as the crankshaft and camshaft, which now form the basics of many mechanisms. During the 17th century, important breakthroughs in the foundations of mechanical engineering occurred in England. Sir Isaac Newton formulated Newton's laws of motion and developed calculus, the mathematical basis for physics. Newton was reluctant to publish his works for years, but he was finally persuaded to do so by his colleagues, such as Sir Edmund Halley, much to the benefit of all mankind. If you have any query, kindly let me know in the comment section below. Destroy the subscribe button, smash the like button, and ring the notification bell for any updates. Until next time, bye.